Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January the 8th and the chart of the day for today is the S&P. Okay, and right here we are looking at the 45 minutes time frame, and we can see we are now within with 5. This was this with 1 with 2 3 4 and within with 5. We might still be extending within with 5, so I will let you know what the alternate is, but for now we are still taking the more aggressive stance, the more aggressive view, in line with what we see in other indices as well. And here we're looking for extension within the wave 5, so we got another one too. So as you can see, the 1 and the 4 overlaps. That's perfectly fine. In a diagonal it is perfectly fine, and so now we're looking to finish with 5 here before we get a bigger pullback. Now let me show you from the 4-hour where is this 1 2 3 4 in the 4-hour, right? So let's copy this 3. This is the 3, this is the 4, and this is the 4-hour time frame. We got a 1 and a 2 here. Okay, so now this is kind of quite interesting here. Let me present to you a couple of possible alternates here, right? Now to me this is actually the more conservative view, right? The more conservative view. Why? Well, first of all, you can see in the 3 is actually shorter than the 1, which is fine, right? The rule only says wave 3 cannot be in the shortest wave. It doesn't say wave 3 must be the longest wave. So what that means is this wave 5, if this count is to be correct and follow the Elliott wave rule, this wave 5 cannot be bigger than the 100% of the wave 1, because the moment it goes past beyond the 100%, then the 3 is going to be in the shortest wave. So eventually this wave 5 should not go above 7048, right? So currently, like what we are showing here, we are only ending 105, so we could still see a little bit more extension like this, 3 4 5 like this, without going above it before we finish this cycle from November 21st as a diagonal, and then see a bigger pullback, right? Once you finish the 5 waves, you will see a bigger pullback. So that is the idea. So does it mean it's a good idea to chase right now? Not necessarily so. The reason is because we can already count a 5 swing up from November here, 1 2 3 4 5. Now because we can already count a 5 swing, there is a possibility that this cycle already ended here. So instead of ending 105, this could have been ending with 5 here. Now if that's the case, then we can start to see the bigger pullback as the alternate, right? As the alternate, we can see a bigger pullback correcting this before higher again, right? Again, because it still remains bullish, so there's no reason for anybody trying to be a hero picking the major top in forever making new all-time high instrument, right? So again, it's either this cycle ended or we can see a bit more extension before turning lower, right? So what other options are there? Well, the other option is actually more bullish, and that's why I say it's conservative view. The more bullish view is like this. This is actually a nest. This is actually a nest. So this is in the lower degree, of course, like this, and we're gonna be just extending higher in a 3 of 3. So this could be 1 2 1 2 and yet another 1 2 in a lower degree again, right? And then you got a 2 3 3. Now if this is a nest, then there is no it doesn't need to stop below that. So we can do 5 waves in the sub-minuet degree here to finish only 3 in blue, right? And then you get 4 in blue, 5 in blue, only ending 3 in black, and it keeps going up and up in a more aggressive way. But again, I think we are currently, like I mentioned to you, looking for the more conservative view, a diagonal, to finish, and then after that we could see a bigger pullback to correct this cycle. But still, no signs of topping out, no reason to call a top and becoming a hero trying to pick the top in a again forever making all-time high so far, right? So it's either, the option is either we extend within wave 5, okay, or in worst case scenario this cycle ended already, and then we start seeing a bigger pullback in 3 waves to correct this rally from November before higher again. Okay, and the next, I think for now, even though it's possible, but again it's the more aggressive view, so I think for now we will rule it out for now, right? It's possible, but we will rule it out. So it's either we extend higher within wave 5, or we already finish this diagonal and starting to see the bigger pullback before we turn higher. So this is the main view, which is the more aggressive out of the 2 possible options between ending the diagonal and extending higher within the diagonal. Alright, so that's the update, and as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. New members can take 14 days trial. You can use the link in the description of the video. We are also still running the New Year promotion right now, guys, so if you want to subscribe, now is the best time to subscribe to our service to enjoy some discount. Alright, so see you guys again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.